Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I am hiking at Lake Ray Roberts State Park here in Texas. I am gonna hike the Lost Pines trail, and I am gonna take y'all on this hike with me. So today I decided to do a short hike, and also I came a little bit later because I want to check out the sunset today at the lake. But it is a beautiful fall day. Excited about this hike, and I'm excited to take y'all along with me. So the last time that I was here, I think was last year. I think it was at the end of last year, if I remember correctly, or maybe early this year. I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is a beautiful state park. There's 3 different branches, and definitely a lot of exploring to do. I think the Dorba trails are closed right now because it did rain a lot yesterday, so that's probably why. But at least the trails are open, the hiking trails. So this trail is really beautiful because it has all these stunning trees, and it does actually take you right to a little viewpoint of the lake. This spot of the park. The sun is about to set, and I really like it over here. You have like this little beach vibes going on, because there is the lake right there, and it's just so peaceful and so calm. Oh my gosh, I could literally be out here all day, and I love the sound of the water. So it's just like, wow. I don't even know. I I always run out of words to explain how beautiful it is, but it really is. Like, wow, I think about God's creation and how blessed we are to be able to enjoy it. And it's my wish that everyone gets, you know, this same chance or opportunity to just like go outside and connect with nature. And I really love it. So I'm probably just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to the other side of the park, the marina, so I can see what it looks like over there. But wow, this is just so peaceful. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really hope that you are blessed by all my videos and that you find some value in the content that I create. You know, I started this channel a couple years ago, and when I started it was honestly just a way to keep a document of all the places I travel to and where I hike. I was like, if nothing else comes of the channel, at least I'll have somewhere where I can always like go back and look at the memories. But it has evolved to more than just that. And I just pray and hope that I can continue to go out and hike and share everything that I experience with you guys as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and your family, and happy hiking. So this is another view of the lake, and it is beautiful. The sun is actually setting back there. So it's really pretty. I'm about to just chill here and watch the sunset.